What's up, guys? It's Amma Jamma here. Let's go over some of the top trades we made today, day trades, swing trades, and some exclusive looks at what I am watching for the future. And the first one we have is ARM. This is one of my picks that I think is in a very, very interesting position here. I do believe with ARM that if we lose 136 on the daily and open next day below 136, I do believe we've got a pretty nice put entry on this one to about 120. We're sitting in this accumulation distribution zone here. So it's definitely interesting. We've got this midline where we were hitting resistance. So that's really what we want to see is, are we going to take this strong bounce off this midline area and perhaps play it bullish up to 150 again? Or are we going to lose that area and play it all the way down to 120? Either way, when it hits this area, it makes a decision and it moves. So it's really the top watch that we're doing here. I would set your alarms, your little notifications for that 137, 136 area and watch from there. Remember, we want to wait at least a daily, if not a 4-hour candle, open and close above that entry. So that's what I've got for ARM as a sneak watch, a little bonus for you. And let's go to the Grand Pumbaa of all the stocks, Pan W, baby. So we played this obviously on the swing trades. We had this from right about 260. We literally added this the 21st and the 22nd. We added the 17th calls, which hit about 900% today. You could check. I've got all the receipts on these trades. Come to the Discord, discord.gg/honeycomb options. You will see it all in the gains channel. And then so we've got a little bit of a handle forming now after playing for 900% on those swing trades. And then we still have some 600% for April. Today we played this flag break and took our entry right at about 319, right about this area here. And we literally caught this for about 80% in 10 minutes or so. Beautiful entry. Really, really pushed hard on that one. SoFi is another one that was a overnight swing. We took this entry yesterday, midday, 70% up on April calls. So 5 weeks till expiration, still hit 70% on this bad boy, and we are holding some. SoFi in general, I made a little bit of a bold prediction as well today, and I had said that when we have a weekly candle open and close above $10, I expect this to be at $20 within 30 trading days. We'll see if it happens. Might happen, might not. We shall see. We also popped a little square trade in there off of this break here, and it was really quick, 3-4 minutes or so for about 20%. Not an ideal trade. I do not consider trades that pop this quick and come right back down. I don't consider that something I hang my hat on my spreadsheets. This is a loss to me. So when you've got these gurus and analysts that say we've won 29 trades in a row, but half of those trades are 8-9% on a 0 DT, 1 DT, run the other way. It's bullshit. Sorry, not sorry. What else did we play? We played Zoom. We had a little bit of a swing earnings. We scaled out of most of that. And then finally we have Hood, which we opened positions last week. And then on top of after last week, we also opened some positions 3 days ago for June and January 2026. We have overall, with all three of those, we have hit insane profits on this. We had Hood for about 270% for our March 16th. We hit approximately 75% for our June calls, which we had bought 2 days ago. And then we hit about 35% on our January 2026 calls that we held for 1 day for 25%. Absolutely insane. So that's a little recap of what we've got going on as far as the swings and what we're watching. And one more bonus entry for you. We talked about our SoFi. We talked about ARM. One other one is Disney. Is looking pretty exciting here because as you can see on this daily chart, we cleared these lows out from earnings and pushed back above it, which is very interesting and tends to indicate a little bit of bullish momentum there. We cleared out all those orders and pushed. I want to see this open and close above 109. And at that point there, I do think we could play it up till that 112, 113 level again for a nice little trade of about $4, 3.5% or so, which could be a really nice trade. So that's another one to definitely keep your eyes on. And that's about all I've got. Make sure you come check us out on Twitter at Amma_Jamma, on Discord, discord.gg/honeycomb options. And I will see y'all Thursday. Bye.